Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA, Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, and quite the day today. Now, granted, the markets had a crazy close, but Boeing had already been under downwards pressure well before the crazy close. So a very, very interesting situation here moving into moving into Wednesday. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines here. They've served their purpose for now. But the big event that happened here, and I talked about this quite a bit, was it finally happened. The price came down to that 127-ish area and violated it, fell, and you can see the bleeding just continued from that point. But this is also what brings about the first update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the event there's any sort of bounce back upwards on Wednesday, 126.75, 127, right around that area is going to be that first key level of resistance that'll need to be broken up above. So watch that very closely, and that's going to be a level that a lot of people have taken notice of. So when you have lots of people watching the same level and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very, very nice movements. So that's going to be the level that, again, if the price can level out and then work its way back upwards, you're going to be having some breakout players. They're going to be wondering about that. You're also going to have some short players wondering if the price just goes up there and gets rejected and then rolls back over. So like I said, lots of eyeballs. Everybody from longs to shorts is going to be watching that area. But now the next key level that I'm very curious about, and that is definitely within striking distance here, is down here at 124.50, which is where this big old bounce happened from on Monday. So Monday, the price gapped down, came all the way down here, and then ultimately, created a bounce all the way up there. And once again, the price is within striking distance of 124.50. And you can see right here, the other point that makes it very, very interesting was it bounced off from right there, bounced off from right there. But if the price does violate that, then I'm not saying the price drops straight down to 120, but that's really, the next key overall level of support that exists on the chart right down there around that level. So again, 124.50, very, very intriguing level, and a level that a lot of people will be watching. So these are going to be the main technical points that I'll be watching going into Wednesday. So let's see how it plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.